These are going to be the lobby elevators at the Sapphire Falls Resort in Orlando. This one. Going down. All right, let's go to 1. What floor?
That's good. That's good.
First floor.
I'll hold the door. No, you can go. I'm gonna go back up.
Thanks, sir.
No problem. I'm gonna get a cab view while I have it to myself. This one's pretty nice. It's just the same as the guest houses, but with a rear door.
Going down.
All right, back down to 1.
First floor. Going up.
Up. Back up to 4. There are your fixtures. These are newer Otis Series 2 Gen 2 elevators.
Fourth floor.
And we're gonna get off here. There's your controller box there. That's gonna be it.